coming up.
I got scammed in Houston.
Yes, Danny Ho, I don't need a flex. Super thick and it's natural.
So it is July 23rd. It is Sunday, and I am getting back on my Zoom in regards to my vlogging because your girl been slacking. But I'm back. I'm better. And that's all that matters. All right, y'all. So y'all know I'm getting my hair done by my best friend. This is the before. I got a turkey sandwich, or a turkey burger sandwich from Starbucks. She look like me, don't she? Officially halfway done. This is what she looking like. Look how long she is. So this is the final look. We still gotta dip it, but she did her best shit with this. She did her best shit. Hold on. It moves super long. Just like I think. It's a new week. It is July 24th. And these next 2 days, I legitimately have to work from the office. So like Wednesday, I'm gonna be having to do like all the other stuff in regards to like my eyebrows, getting a fill in because one of these nails are literally popping off. I'm on the way to the office right now. Well, I gotta come back. I gotta go drive. 10:00 p.m. and I'm tired as hell from work, so I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye. I done already had a long day, and this mother, whatever the this is, won't get off my window, so I get out my car. Like, get the off my window. Like, I don't. This get off. Saying like, get off my window.
No.
What the fuck are you here for? It won't go. Like, what the fuck? I need to get out of my car. And I know this motherfucker gonna bother me. I just know. Like, get the off my window. Get the fuck. Stupid. Sorry, y'all, for being rude and disrespectful. If it flies. Ah! Sorry. People probably look at me like I'm crazy. Okay, I gotta get gas. In the vlog, basically, this part is just letting you know that I'm about to do a video on all the stuff that I got from Fashion Over and Shein. Literally in the car at 10:00 p.m. But I just got done playing some scratch off tickets, and y'all, I just got done playing the scratch offs, and I lost all my money.
Well, that was anticlimactic.
Yeah, that's the life. That's the life that I live, and I'm gonna go do it again. No, I'm just playing. But my favorite lottery ticket to get is the scratch offs crossword puzzles. They're number 25, and you know I'm 25, so like I like playing my age or whatever. But anyways, it's a fun little game, and I really just be intrigued with the crossword puzzles, and just the hopes of getting money adds to it. But I didn't win, so that's that. Wrapped up filming earlier. Y'all was tired. I was like so tired of trying on clothes because I done already tried on the Shein clothes, and then had to put it back on for the try on video, and then I gotta edit. Like, that's just a lot. It's just a lot. But I'm super happy. Let me say that again. I'm super happy because I am going to vacation tomorrow, honey. I need it. I need a vacation probably once a month. I'm just gonna go to get there. But I hope my mood changes, because my mood just have been so, I don't know what it is. I don't know if somebody knows, like, what's some things called, like the moon, stuff like that. I don't know, but it's just like my mood has been like really irritated. Like, I just been real irritable, And I don't know why I'm not pregnant, y'all. Don't even comment that shit. But I really just been like real irritable. I really think I need some type of vitamins or something of that nature, because it's like I get so freaking irritated so fast. Like, I can tell when somebody's energy is not right. Like, just in general, like, people just rub me the wrong way so fast, and I just get so irritable. And I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I know that I'm about to go on vacation and I'm not there yet or what. But I really hope this vacation just brightens me up, because I just been Happy Wednesday, y'all. So it is July 26th and today I'm going to Houston. So I'm literally about to just make my bed up and actually pack, because I did not pack last night. And then I have hella errands to do in regards to like getting my eyebrows done, my lashes, and anything else. So let's go. Now that I'm done packing, I'm about to get in the shower, get myself together, put that bonnet back on because I gotta get in the shower. Then when I'm done with all like my hygienic stuff, I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it in there and zip everything up. I gotta make my brow appointment. Hopefully she's available today. If she's not available today, I'm gonna cry. All I have to do now is take my sister to work. Hopefully. Hopefully by the time my sister gets dropped off at work, it'll be time for my lash appointment. My lash appointment is at 11:30 a.m. It's currently like 9 something. But if not, I'm just gonna go ahead and just get my eyebrows and my mustache waxed if my person is available. And then that means after I get my lashes done, I'll just go get my nails and stuff done. So yeah. Why is she eating the donuts so seductive? Okay, so the eyebrows and lip is done. Now I'm on the way to get my lashes done and then my nails, and we'll be ready to go. Let me unlock my door. Okay, y'all, so just left get my lashes done. I let her add some glitter. This is my favorite color.
Just wanted to shout out these two beautiful black women for always getting me together.
It's like, how does she know? I don't even know, but like, I was like, yeah, girl, just add some glitter. And she added blue, and blue my favorite color. Like, wait. First of all, I'm hungry. So there's a Popeyes right here, so I'm gonna give me some Popeyes because I was hungry. Get. Stop. You're being a bully. Dang. Just real evil. Give me the toy. Bring it back. You're being real aggressive. Give it to me. Give it to me. Dang. All right, y'all. So we are filling up the truck with our bags. Look at my shit, y'all. Hold on. Turn it around a little bit. Damn it, I just want to see. Look at this shit.
That motherfucker talking back.
It's busting out the bottom. Like, I really hope my shit don't just fly. I really hope my shit don't fly out the bottom of this bag. I swear. That's my other bag, y'all. My nails and stuff is done. So we are at the airport. Finna go to Houston. No. We could just do these little. Well, no, I'm gonna just go up there. Fuck it. All right, y'all, I gotta give my personal information. So if I get another Starbucks, would I be trifling? Because it will be my third one of the day. That's all we got. The fucking race car. We got them. What the fuck? Like, who would? I don't know. Oh, they got skinny pop. How much is it? Now these is actually.
Wait a minute.
No, they still not cute. That's what I'm saying. I don't even play around with the fuck around with this type of shit for real. She said she wants something light. I can't wait till y'all see this card. Just a little something light. What else she got going on?
I mean, I don't want to go too crazy or nothing.
The vanilla shake?
Large.
Yo, how? Something like already at 21. And this motherfucker got a full-size meal talking
No,
about.
I don't.
Let me see your
Or
card.
you don't want nothing?
No. Look at this. She got the double cheeseburger, 2 of those. It is without the bun, y'all. Look at this. 20 piece.
You know what? Complete order.
Small fry.
Right here.
Lord have mercy. Help her. Help her, Lord. My nails are just so cute. I love the way he did them. I ain't married yet, y'all, but I'm manifesting it. You ready?
Uh-huh.
She thought it was only. She thought it was gonna be a 4-hour flight. It's literally only 2 hours, y'all. I'm proud of myself because usually at this point I start getting really bad anxiety. Or like I've been flying so much this year. It's just like normal to me, and I love that for me. My shoes in somebody else's cart.
Get her shoe.
I think they gotta check it first. Oh, is that a doggy? Oh, it's a good doggy. Hi.
Help?
Already boarding her flight? I might be tweaking. Oh no, it's gonna be 17. Yeah. We're gonna see. Oh, this is Orlando? Yeah, this is our thing. Yeah. So we made it to the
I ain't got no light. Of course you get in the perfect spot with the light.
so we made it to the what's the call it thing? We actually early because they boarded a whole nother plane to Orlando. So we're actually early, which is good because I'm about to charge my phone until we about to get on the plane. Yeah. We are about to take off. It's gonna be hot, so I got shorts for the first time at the airport, but I'll be alright.
Buckle it in front and hold it tight. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tip of your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically.
Y'all scared of flying? Don't fly with her for real. Like she's scared.
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm definitely fine.
I think we still going up.
I know we are. I can tell. You know that? It's just the turbulence.
This isn't turbulence. We're just going up.
Huh?
We're just going up. It isn't turbulence.
It's the same thing.
No, it's not.
That's why I watched that little thing they told us to watch.
But what thing?
Little air breathing thing.
Yo, Amber is funny as hell. Oh, we turning. The sun on that side is pretty. Oh shit. Oh shit. Somebody tell me why we got so much turbulence. Literally. Why we shaking so much? We are in Houston. We're in Houston. My ears are popping. It hurts so bad. It was so bumpy, y'all.
I was in the bathroom and I was holding on to the walls. I was like, hold on, wait a minute. It's not supposed to be moving like this.
I heard somebody scream a couple times I wasn't.
Well, if it's moving like that, that's what you thought was your boyfriend.
Who's boyfriend? Mine?
Yep.
Shut up.
So next on the agenda is I have to use the bathroom, and we gotta pick up the rental, and we gotta get our bags. But it smells so. Oh my god, is that Chinese food?
How do we find it?
What do you mean?
The
Baggage claim is right there, but let me pee real fast. So sorry.
So sorry.
I need to stop just recording and moving. My ear needs to pop, man. Are you from here?
Of course I
Okay. Where was you coming from?
am. Corpus.
Okay.
What's Corpus?
Corpus Christi.
Okay.
Down south. Towards the valley.
I don't know what that is, honestly.
It's part of
It's a city.
Texas.
Oh, it's part of Texas?
Where are you from?
Indiana.
What?
Are you recording me?
Yeah. Do something spectacular. Just all broken up and shit. I definitely gotta get a new suitcase. It is hot. Woo! I can't breathe immediately. It is hot as fuck. Between a premium. Let's do the Dodge Charger. Y'all, why my socks match the car? Like, God just knew what he was doing. You feel me? Like, it's crazy. My little crop. Let me put y'all on. So this is the ultimate guide for Houston from an actual Houston representative. Said that completely wrong, but anyways, y'all know what I meant. So this is for like food places, restaurants, vegan places, bars, all types of different stuff, and just regular things to do. So go ahead, especially if you have like a trip planning, this is the ultimate list. Airbnb, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is so fucking nice. This is real bougie. Like, it's given I would live here. Look at this stove. Girl, I was.
Brandon Cutmore, bro.
Welcome, Wi-Fi network is that. Okay, they got the Wi-Fi. Come on, ice cream, girl. They don't supply food for you. I mean, look at the details, girl. Is that a wine? Hold on. Wow, this is a wine freaking cooler, and it's brand new. That's nice. Got a window right here. Let me see.
Oh.
Well, let's walk back here. We gotta be careful. Oh. Yeah. This is the front door. What's back here then? Hold on. Oh, I mean, okay. Nothing. But that's fine. Because I'm not going to be in the backyard anyhow. Okay. Y'all, whoever decorated this house did the damn thing. This mirror is super nice. Like, pictures all day long. That's the backyard. It's not anything special. Girl, you can get whatever you want. I don't eat ice cream. Oh, I need this picture for my room. Why does it match? Girl, shut the... And I need this picture too. Like, they got some nice paintings. I just like these ceilings. Like, it's long. Yeah, no, I didn't even see the bathroom.
I wouldn't mind living there.
No, for real. Oh, that is cute. This is the half bath.
That's high ceilings. That's actually real nice.
I can and I will. Okay. Time to go upstairs.
Wait, where's trash can?
Amber, I literally just got here.
You should know this.
Dun dun, there's a lot of stairs. Don't get drunk and fall down there.
What? I don't never.
Okay. she said I'm not feeling it. I like these art pieces, like it's giving. One of the lights don't work, by the way, y'all, so.
Watch and turn. Let's go.
Let's go.
Wow. Oh, look at that bathtub.
Girl, what did you think I got this for?
Oh, gosh.
I told you I'm gonna get in the bathtub as soon as I get here.
Bathtub too. And it got some stuff there.
What the fuck? Look at that shit. This is my room.
No.
Yes.
Bro, we paid an even amount.
I don't care. I planned it.
Big ass mirror, look at this.
Let me see.
Fuck somebody in here.
What did he say? Oh
You get what I'm saying?
my
There's a.
gosh. Amber, for real. Yo, that is funny.
I like this color.
Shit, we can really be here together.
Bro, I'm using your bathtub though. I hope you know that.
I don't care, but look at this mirror. Yeah, look at this. This is just so fucking nice. Amber, for real. Oh, I already got a bath pack for us. Is that something in there?
It has some, but I think it's enough.
I wouldn't use that.
We just gotta get it on.
Yeah.
Probably breaking shit. Ooh, it says this candle. Oh yeah.
Girl, you got a sleep mask.
Oh, it's like a his and hers. Look.
Yeah.
I think I got an idea what my house would be like.
They have
They
like,
got toothbrushes for us?
well, I already brought my toothbrush.
Yeah, razors. I'm still on these bitches.
Girl,
I'm taking these home.
this is nice, y'all. Like, everything is so detailed. I don't even know if I showed y'all this closet. I'm literally about to put my shit in this closet.
Toilet paper in here too. They actually got a good amount. Some people only give you one roll. You know that?
This is, what's in this world?
I feel like we haven't even got that far.
Oh, there's a special room. I don't like that.
I don't like that either.
Hold on. I don't want this room no more.
Are you serious?
No, girl, but I really don't know why. I'm gonna ask because that's weird.
Who is in here?
We already. I can't
Where
stand
it came from.
Negroes. Ooh. Look how high these ceilings are, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see myself being in this house for sure right now. This is the regular bathtub. But it's still nice as fuck. Like, this is... Oh, they got the eucalyptus. You know how it go. You know how that is. I think this is the bedroom that's not working. But this is nice still. Oh. Oh, what is that? Oh. What is this? It's like, bitch. Hold on. What does this go to?
I heard something when you pressed
I
the
did
button.
too.
It's kind of scary.
I don't know.
Maybe that's the guy in that room, so we should check.
Shut the fuck up. I think it's supposed to move the curtain.
Back on there.
Oh, it ain't me. Oh, yeah.
That's why I wouldn't want to be in here. The lights working here, I bet. It's not bad though.
It's not.
It's
but,
really nicely decorated.
what we're about to do now is about to close all these curtains. It's giving me anxiety, so just a second, y'all. First of all, this is horrible. The fuck? We need 60 by the time we get big. I'm about to find a shirt because we're not like stepping out tonight, but we're like drinking. We're gonna go find something to eat and we're gonna drink at like a bar or a hookah bar or something, because at first I was tired. I was like, I'm gonna take a shower and go to bed, but honey, we're only in Houston for 4 days. We're turning the fuck up. So let's see what it's giving. Oh no. Amber! Something spilled in my bag too! This fucking shampoo! We are at a place called...
Try again.
What's up, y'all? We in the Layton's House of Lamb.
Try again.
Home of the lamb chops.
Y'all, we are out. We are getting some food, and we found this place called Layton's House of Lamb and Bar. They like got a ramen or whatever that's pretty popular. And we pulled up, and there's like a bar around here and everything. So we finna explore. So we gonna take y'all on the trip. I got lemon shrimp, ramen. This is what it looks like. This is so good. Mad because this place is
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it over. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ryan around with Trace, like we OVO. I got some racks and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want.
Yeah, I don't think it wants you.
It's just a baby.
It is a baby.
It's so cute.
If you have,
it's so cute.
If you have some like treats, it might come to
Baby?
you, but it's worried about that food. Oh shit, what the fuck did I just step in, bro? Am I tweaking?
I don't know, but I want to check the comments.
Am I tweaking? It was real fucking late.
It was actually.
And it's a fucking Wednesday. Like, it was lit as fuck, and I will be back. It was lit.
I met a lot of people.
And they only have $20 hookahs. Like, that was not bad at all.
And their drinks were cheaper too.
Yeah, no, for
The
real.
drinks were really cheap.
$7 for a fucking Hennessy and
Bro, I had a double shot and it only came up to $20 with her stuff too.
Really? So
Yeah.
how much was that at the other spot? What was the other spot? Was it?
$50 for our stuff.
What was that? What was that spot called?
It was.
Oh, cause we was that at the restaurant?
It was across from the restaurant.
What was it called?
I'll find out. We got
Okay, we gotta find out what it's called.
We're gonna let y'all know though, cause that shit was expensive.
I'm glad I'm a designated driver. This bitch be drunk. I'm not drunk to the point where I can't drive, because I promise y'all, if I can't drive, I will call over. Amber, what is this on my shoe?
I didn't do it.
What is all this?
Ooh.
Is that
Hey, my
dirt?
shoe don't even have that. Look this.
Bro. Alright, y'all, so it is July 27th. It's Thursday. And we had a time last night. I just get up out this bed because my head and stuff is hurt. I'm gonna need like a pain pill or something.
I'll get a pain pill.
Cool. I'm gonna take a pain pill and we're about to go to brunch. and see what the brunch is like in H-Town. So we're about to get dressed and shit. Why are you in here just screaming yourself in the video? She said, oh, I look like a bum in it. We just woke up. Like, we literally just rolled up out of bed. My head hurts. So, anyway, we're about to get dressed, y'all, and we'll talk to y'all later.
Okay. So, you done me some
Killing a spider.
What do you mean? Oh, fuck no.
I told you, it's huge.
It's not that bad, though.
Really?
Are you about to throw it at it or something?
Yeah, I'm too scared to hit it regularly.
Well, hit it normal. Oh, bitch.
My shoe's gone.
That was a good throw. I think you actually murdered it. It's having a seizure.
Oh my gosh.
Kill it out of Kill it out of his misery, bro.
No.
I'm too scared. It's having a seizure. No, bro, because it's dead, bro. Just like finish it off.
It's not dead.
It is dead. Amber, what are you about to do?
I told you it's not dead.
It is dead. You're moving the bathtub. This bitch, Amber, ain't doing shit but getting it wet. Amber,
Told
kill
you it's
it.
not dead.
Kill it.
It's not dead.
Kill it before it crawls out the tub. What are you doing? Amber, just give it to me, bro. Give me the shit. Give me the Amber, you are like mentally, something's wrong. Oh shit. Oh, now it look like hair. Ugh.
You kill it?
Yes, it's on. Okay, if you know me, you already know where I'm at. We are at Starbucks, looking like Barbies. You're so weird. But anyways, yeah, so I'm about to get my Starbucks, and then we're gonna head to that brunch spot to eat, cause I is starving. This actually had a 1-star rating on Yelp, so like I hope they do what they're supposed to do with my drink. And I need a cup, but I'm gonna get a cup from like, my bad. I'm gonna get a cup from one that's like, I don't know, that's different. Cause all these cups that I'm seeing in here looks like the cups I already have. Except for, hold on. Like, hold on. Cause this is nice. I don't know, I wanna look at some other places first, but this one's nice too. Not really my style, but it's cute. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Okay, y'all, we made it to Quotes. It's in the Willowbrook Mall, and let's see what it's giving. Yo, like, look at this, y'all. This is so freaking dope. Is it good? Mm-hmm. We don't even know what we're here for, but we're here, and that's all that matters. That food, 10 out of 10. Fire. 10 out of 10. We're doubling back.
Yeah.
We have to get they fish now. So this is Palapas. It's like, it stinks. It's like a bar or something.
So you from Indiana and you're a baby?
You not a baby, I'm grown.
Just been grown. I pay my bills. My bills are paid.
I wore my Crocs. They said I couldn't wear. Look at this cute. I forgot which one I got, by the way, but it is so cute. It's the fishy.
All authentic, guys.
That is really good. Really strong. You strong? That's tequila. So cute. Like, look at all the details. This is the second floor. He's so cute.
You need some drugs.
Come on, you need some drugs.
You need some drugs. I got acid.
I'm about to change again. Y'all, we are at Red Circle Ice Cream.
You go where?
Ooh, this is so pretty. Yeah. She better be eating. This is so pretty.
I think it's cute. They call it the Elmo Crunch.
Which one?
The red one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look.
I wonder what's Elmo Crunch.
Because it's red.
If it's not blue. Elmo's not blue.
Elmo is red. The Cookie Monster is blue.
That's the Oreo Churro. First time trying it. We're gonna see if it's worth it or not. It's pretty good. I give it like a 7 out of 10. It's like an 8 out of 10. And an ice cream.
It's 10 out of 10. It tastes like everything else.
We are dressed up and ready to go to the club.
I got some rats and I was still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. People nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these reckons too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. I don't love you right now.
Okay, we're at this place called the 77 Rooftop / Wonder Bar. So yeah. He looks so pretty. Let's just get the yeah. drunk up here, they would have to have a long way down. Oh wow, look, this is cute. Amber, we need pictures right here. Hold on.
The picture of the Mona Lisa. Push on the painting.
Oh, thank you. Look what? Oh my God. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, to Whataburger. Yeah. We haven't ate in like 2 hours. One thing about me, I'm not paying no $10 for no fucking parking. You hear me? I'm a faster where the motherfucking park. You hear me? Okay, so we are at Whataburger. We've like bar hopped all fucking night. There is a man with a pit bull. Is he beating his dog?
Where?
Bro.
Where?
I don't know if he was just like trying to put his dog in a car, but I don't fuck with that. We are at Whataburger. It is a 24-hour restaurant in Texas. I've never been at Whataburger. I've been in and out. And what is it called?
What?
In and Out. I've been in Las Vegas. But I've never been to Whataburger. Somebody put me on game and said like I should try it, so I'm gonna try it. We're gonna try it tonight. Let me show y'all like in secret like what I won as a grand prize at a bar.
Right. First I'm gonna show mine.
Okay.
I got a dick drink.
I mean, at the end of the day, it was really nice.
It is nice. That's a water bottle.
It's a water bottle, guys.
Now Denzel has this.
Wow, who?
Oh,
I thought we had tits.
They're not tits. You should have seen his face.
When did we become society? Grand prizes, dick. I think I won like $1,000 type shit. They give me a fucking dildo. Do you know how many chicken strips come in the like meal? Only 3? Okay.
3 for the meal and 2 for the kids meal.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you. Can I try a banana pudding milkshake? The banana pudding shake?
I only have small and large.
Just the smallest fine with me.
I'm gonna try the chicken.
And then can I?
Oh, they gave me 4. Oh my gosh, it is love.
It's cool. The burger. I don't know what it's got to hit on.
Yep, there's no nuts.
It's big. Legitimately, y'all, I don't need bread. Like, my tomatoes. Alright, y'all, I'm about to make me a bath. So, let's see how this works out.
Few moments later.
Candle. Let's go with this. It smells good, but also it'll have a lighter. Okay, so it is. I just got the bath, y'all. Amber's getting in the bath now, but I'm finna lay down. It is Friday, Friday the 20th, I think, at like 3 o'clock in the morning. So I'm finna lay it the fuck down, but good night, y'all. See you tomorrow. We are going to the beach today, and I'm excited because we haven't been in the water since we got here. So like, I'm excited to see the ocean. I'm excited to be in somebody's pool today. Like, it's gonna be a pool and water day for sure, for sure. So that is what we're doing. We're probably gonna get some food first, but I'll let you know. This is the swimsuit that I'm going with today. If y'all seen my Shein and Fashion Nova haul, if you haven't watched it. But if you've seen it, you already know what this swimsuit is. I am also going to wear some yellow shoes. And I'm about to put this cover up on. And I have this like yellow ponytail and it's given. I had to come back to Starbucks because there's shit in my fucking drink. Hold on. Y'all have to see this shit. Oh shit. Look at this shit. Like, who the fuck did y'all think y'all was giving this shit to? And there's like all types of stuff in the whipped cream. I don't know what that is. I didn't even drink it yet. Yeah, no, I see. We'll remake it with new whipped cream. It honestly looks like vanilla bean, which I don't know why that would be in there, but we'll remake it, okay? Okay, thank you. I was here tweaking. I'm thinking this is a real plane, bro. And I'm like, it's about to come down, but it's a fucking kite. Okay, so we are at the spot. Y'all can't really see the sign, but yeah, it is a nice, it looks like a beach type vibe, like tropical vibe, and you get a good view of the rocks down there. It's a beach view. It's really nice. So we have to pick up our menus, order at there, and then we just pick a spot to sit at. So this is the view that we got. Yes, sir. Again, this place is called The Spot. We got this like GPS, so wherever we sit, they know where our food is gonna come. So that is super dope. Get to the beach now. Just gotta get across this street. Hold on. Yes, sir. We made it. Okay, cool. They got rentals over there, but I'm wondering how strict are they? Like if I just sat there. We're gonna see how strict they are. I'm not gonna lie, the water is murky, but it feels so freaking good, y'all. It's so relaxing. So if you're in Houston, you can definitely drive down to Galveston, Texas. They have this pier, good food, good vibes. They did charge me $30 for that mother freaking seat. I knew I should have sat in it. That was what gave it away. We're now at Pleasure Pier. So we're about to see how this works. About to head back towards Houston. We're in Galveston, Texas. We stopped at this gas station to get something to drink. We picked up some Texas Lotto tickets.
$20 ticket, 25 on me.
We gotta scratch these off, so while you watching, pray for us. We might share. We're about to shower, get dressed so we can get some food, of course. You know the routine. So this is the move for tonight. We wearing black. I got a charger. I'm about to get out there. I had to double back we had to double back at this place, y'all. If y'all are in Houston, you have to check out Quotes because this shit is fire. This is a double shot of Hennessy with pineapple. Yes, ma'am. I just want to eat. Because sweet potatoes is going to show you. It's really like a southern, you feel me?
This macaroni fucking fire.
I'm gonna nobody macaroni.
Huh? Go ahead.
This sweet potatoes.
No, I'm not trying it. Hell no.
You should have tried it, bro.
I don't like
to try with the macaroni.
Like I'm stubborn. Hell no.
Look at that combo.
I know you're a little tipsy because you're over recording while you eat.
playground lawn.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pain and keep it over. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it even go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny go. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. They look break.
Literally broke my fingers, nails off. We are going to this place called Grooves. So we're gonna, it's a black owned restaurant, so we're gonna try this place out and let y'all know if it's worth it. We at this art museum, I think that's what it's called. I didn't get Starbucks, y'all. I was so tired. It is cute in here, y'all. I don't know. I'm about to stay here for a minute. $40 a person, y'all. What the heck? Ah! It went straight to the camera. My eyelashes is glowing, y'all. Here.
Makes your room feel like it's so big.
That is pretty. This reminds me of that like tropical garden that we was at in Las Vegas.
That's like trees and stuff. Let me thank you for it too.
Pure fast and fast Jesus name. Amen.
That's my.
Yo, like we are literally trapped outside because this Airbnb person doesn't have a spare key and the code to this garage is not working at all. We've been sitting out here for damn near 3 hours in the car in the middle of nowhere and we can't get in. Like, where is the spare key? I go on and on about your word.
I ain't want to teach it. Now you want to teach it. Yeah, you weren't ready for this.
Do you have a key?
Yeah, he won't go be out there. I'm about to say you. What do you
It's another store.
Oh, where?
Oh, I told you shit. I ain't involved. That we hear that.
Ooh, do they have a lottery in here? So we are at this place called the Gallery Taco Truck or whatever, and it is so big.
Place your bet.
Wait, what? That's you. Then you'll have 120.
You see how I'm putting the 60 in your hand? Now place up the pot and the winner take it all. You probably forgot what it says by now, probably again.
No, I know where it's at. I won though.
You never flipped it over, sweetheart.
I did.
Place the bet, then flip it over.
Ever. I just won $60.
You never flip it over.
You won't let me.
You gotta place the bet, that's why.
Here.
Yo, I swear to God. If you lose this money, I'm gonna play.
Which one you said it was out of A, B? I'm betting though, sweetheart. You gotta bet.
Yeah, we had it right.
Which
We had it
one
right.
you
It was
want?
that we had it right. We had it
Bet
right.
it or not, sweetheart?
We
But
had it
listen,
right.
what I'm saying is
You
you're
have
not
to
getting.
place the bet. Like money on the wood makes the gambling good. Like if you was to go to
But then
Vegas
you
and
can
stick the money
literally
in
run off.
with $60.
Well, she did it. We had
Like
the right
what?
one.
Yeah, she just didn't bet it. That's all I'm saying.
So
She wrote out
I
an
have
eight.
to put the $60 on the table to win
I
the
can't
$60.
take nothing from you. All these men around here think they gonna let me run. Yes, fact.
But
Watch, I say
I
the ball.
won it
What's
though,
the
right?
eight?
But he's saying that basically to
You
bet,
gotta
I
bet.
have to put my money on his table.
Yeah, it's a bet.
When I
It's
already
not a bet.
cashed up him $60.
That's just an even exchange. I was like being an ATM for you.
Right, so I have the $60.
Yeah, now do you want to bet it or not?
Probably did. When we was talking, he probably flipped it to the other side.
Do it again, bro. Do it again.
That's what I'm saying. That's shit.
Y'all, I got scammed in Houston. I can't believe I fell for that shit. And I'm not tripping. He probably needed it more than me, clearly. We gotta jump the fence again just to get back in the house because the code for the garage isn't working.
Why is there so many cars in this
Only,
hour?
I don't know, bro. I think they understand though.
I don't know the fuck they understand. They don't fucking know us.
They can ask.
Yeah.
I'm still not gonna tell them nothing though because it's our business. Go down slowly. Got scammed, but I don't care, y'all. Like, he must have needed it more than me. Like, that's why a man need to be with me because I've been making crazy ass decisions. Anyway, this is a chicken Philly egg roll. I'm excited to try to add some fries, some of their ranch. My sister gonna try a piece of her chicken with fries, so. Good night, y'all. Back home tomorrow. Yes, stay live. Yes, stay live.